this is the Ministry of the Interior.
Informal camp that was set up after the earthquake spontaneously. But this is a formal camp, so it's sanctioned by the government, and it's well served by all of the various NGOs working together in the camp. Different NGOs have taken on different responsibilities. The tents stretch as far as you can see, but they're also very stable, solid tents as well, which is important. Plan has taken on healthcare in the camp. This is the planned clinic that today served 63 people. So this is where the children are coming as they await the school system to get back and set up. Classrooms that have been erected by Plan on a transitional basis. This is the number of kids in this class who are still having nightmares about another earthquake. And we just asked them as well how many are living in tents. Almost all of these kids are still in tents. So these were some of the classrooms for the kids. This is where the traditional school will go, which is absolutely beautiful. There's no problems. And there will be 10 classrooms here, supplemented by the tent. And these are the number of kids who prefer this school to their old school.